Street hawkers and vendors set up shop despite prohibitions in Police Bazaar today. The hawkers, who have been out of work for over 5.5 months due to the COVID-19 pandemic, are demanding they be allowed to resume their work.
Very simple thing, from March there has been a lockdown. Hawkers and street vendors constitute the most important part of economy of Shillong. They support the working class people and they also make some money. They don't have extra money. For 5 months they haven't had any work. There is hunger. Their cash support which government had promised hasn't even reached them. And so finally they have decided to sit. They will sit with social distancing, they will sit with odd and even numbers. They have ID cards which has been issued, the association has issued. We have been asking the government for last 3 months. Their association, the union, has gone to the government, said that this is how you have to find a system, and they haven't. What will they do? There is hunger. People are their landlords are telling them to leave the house because they can't pay the rent.
Following orders by East Khasi Hills District Commissioner, police officials have asked the hawkers to pack shop, but many remain reluctant to leave.